Leaked documents from all 31 July demos since 31 July 2018 are that they have all been created by Joint Operation Command to contain the public in their anticipated movements. Zarabna mashukubra pangwa inayowa ishok. Iduwana kwanza all these demos pangwa inayowa airplan wanete JOC. Zarabna mashukubra nyuka pangwa inayowa subscribe ole on the bell icon. Timina abramobra nyuka mchenzi. 31 July is the CIO's finger button to make people angry on their own anger, so to control them. 31 July is a counter intelligence operation launched in July 2018 before the elections, and then another one in July 2020 by three operatives, Godfrey Tsenengam, Jacob Garivume, Opo Chungono. Ever since then, they create new 31s to manage people's anger. They feed people with anger, feed you with death, and then come in to control your anger. Zova, Sovarana. Come next week, you all be exhausted, tired and brain dead as ED gathers more strength, cause ye will have managed to run your lives with his finger button. Watch the Mortland Commission to hear from the horse's mouth how the state security creates demos in order to defeat dissent. The way another 31, this time much Blessed Jesus demos was encouraged by the crew as they under Chungono claimed that Chris Muchangwa is fled to Dubai and then crashed by the same person who he trapped people by forcefully accusing Jesus activists of stealing ZNA guns and deserting the army so to get them arrested. 100 activists jailed shows the repeating nature of the operation. Ndoma developments are pangwa behind the scenes are of the people who planned these 31 protests. Pangwa anowanza schedule on 31 March, some of them on 31 July. Pinagome section medu za fura aimot kudi pamsar pechit ko ish. Pinagome section medu son subscribe like chat on the bell icon.